Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joy and today we are unboxing my new backpack. If you do not know, I am currently back in school right now and I really wanted something that would be a little bit more easy. If you watch my previous Coach unboxing, I had the Nina tote, which I love dearly. But this semester I am going to be focusing heavy on my fitness journey. So I wanted something that I can incorporate and be able to use not only with school, but also being able to interchange it with the gym. Carrying a bag plus another bag that's a gym bag, it's just a lot to maneuver. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. This is a big box. Why my lipstick just fell on it. That's how you know I was too eager. Sure, I don't touch the lip stain. Wow, it looks so. All of this paper, I appreciate it. They was not playing. They protected this to the T, like everything. Gotta get into the details because this is so freaking nice. The inside is like a, what is this? This is like a dark purple, like a maroon. Yeah, maroon lining. The hardware, like this is, you hear that? That is freaking heavy. Oh my God, look how nice it is on the inside. Wait, hold up. It has another zipper on the side. So like if you don't feel like going, like opening this up, you could just put your hand in there and it's literally, oh, it's so cool. So if you wanted to grab like your wallet, like say you had a wallet or lotion and stuff, instead of opening the whole bag, you could just put your hand here. That is so freaking cool. Oh my God. That's freaking dope. It has an inside zipper as well. You could keep stuff in. And then it has another inside pocket here. It's pretty decent, you know. And then of course the front pocket, which is stuff. Take that out. Sure, it's more likely you'll put your wallet in the front pocket, but oh my God, this is so nice. And then the straps. Wow, so the straps is not leather. It is more of a grip material. What is this? Oh, this is sturdy. Oh, this is real sturdy. So I'm gonna share what I put in my bag as well as how it looks on. So this is the Pace Large Backpack. The materials include refined calf leather and a fabric lining, which is polyester. The bag itself features adjustable shoulder straps, outside zip pocket, inside multifunctional pockets, drawstring, and a speed clip closure, and outside zip access to the interior. This by far is so perfect for school days. It is not bulky. It is very chic, timeless. I love all the detailing. I love the metal workings in it. I just love overall the details in every single placement of this bag. Like, this is such a cute must have if you're gonna go to school and you a gym girly and you want to pack too much. This is definitely it. I love it. So that wraps up today's video. You already know, if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.